Kinondena ng Malacanang ang pananambang ng mga hinihinalang NPA rebels sa ilang sibilyan sa Negros Occidental. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesman Edwin Lacierda, hindi makatarungan ang karahasang inihasik ng New People's Army laban sa mga inosenteng mamamayan. Sinabi ni Lacierda na nagkataon lamang na may 3 pulis na nakasakay sa truck ng mga sibilyang galing sa isang pistahan na ang isagawa ang ambush. Sinabi ni Lacierda na hinihintay lamang ng palasyo ang verifikasyon ng Office of the Presidential Advisor on the Peace Process bago magpalabas ng opisyal na pahayag.
This particular vehicle was not a military vehicle. It was a Fuso counter truck, and so we condemn the assault on civilians who are not, should not be parties to this heinous act. Verifying, and PNP is the lead agency here because one of their personnel was killed and 2 others were injured. So we will wait for the updates on the reports coming from the PNP. The AFP is also coordinating with PNP in the pursuit operations.